Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on an LG refrigerator. Most of the newer refrigerators that have these filters are pretty much the same, so the procedure would be very similar. It's a very quick and easy fix, so let's begin. So first and foremost, locate the serial number, which is on the inside right here, and make sure that you got the right filter cartridges for your refrigerator. So I got my air filter together with the water filter because it was a better deal. You get 3 of those and 3 of those for like 23 bucks. So it just made sense to buy both since we'll be replacing, since I can replace both of them at the same time. But they do sell them on Amazon separately. So if you're only replacing the air filter, you can replace just the air filter. So here's what the air filter looks like, and we'll keep the other 3 for next time. So first you want to clear out your top shelf, and you'll have your filter for your air located right over here with this nice blue light. So to replace the air filter is pretty straightforward. You have open going this way and close going that way. So we're going to turn this way to open it. Just like that, comes off. So here's what the filter looks like, and you just kind of have to pull it out. It's this plastic piece like this. Then take the new one and put it back in. It doesn't really matter, it's a square, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in. Just put it in there like that, and then there's those arrows I was telling you about. Then you basically put it at the same angle, like this, and close it. Now, you just have to reset the button, and you'll be good to go. Now, to reset the filter light for the air filter, you press this button and hold it for 3 seconds. So, it goes away. The symbol is still there, but it doesn't say replace anymore. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to